Welcome to this focused learning session on forensic accounting and investigation standards issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. In today's digital age, the majority of financial and operational data is stored electronically. Accordingly, forensic professionals must be equipped to discover, analyze, and preserve digital evidence effectively. Our topic today is FAIS 420. Evidence Discovery in Digital Domain, a pivotal standard that guides forensic practitioners in identifying, acquiring, handling, and analyzing electronic data during forensic engagements. First point is Objective of FAIS 420. It aims to provide guidance on locating and retrieving digital evidence relevant to an investigation, maintaining the integrity, authenticity, and chain of custody of digital evidence, ensuring that digital evidence is forensically sound and admissible before a competent authority. The standard promotes ethical, systematic, and legally compliant digital forensic practices. Second is Scope of Application. FAIS 420 applies when the forensic engagement involves electronic data, such as emails, system logs, mobile data, databases, cloud records, etc. The professional is required to extract or review electronically stored information, ESI. Digital footprints or cyber trails are part of the investigative process. Third point is Sources of digital evidence. Common digital sources include desktops, laptops, servers, email systems and cloud storage, enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, mobile devices and removable media, e.g., USBs, SD cards, messaging applications and social media, network logs, firewalls, routers. Digital evidence is often volatile and easily alterable, hence special protocols must be followed. Fourth point is Key Principles under FAIS 420A. Integrity and chain of custody. Maintain originality of evidence. Create and preserve bit-by-bit forensic images. Document every step. Who accessed what, when, how, and why. B. Use of forensic tools. Employ industry-standard tools, e.g. FTK, EnCase, X-Ways, Autopsy. Validate tools for accuracy and reliability. Record software versions and settings used. C. Admissibility. Ensure evidence is collected legally, with appropriate authorization or consent. Maintain records that demonstrate authenticity and relevance. Avoid contamination or loss of data. D. Confidentiality and data protection. Respect data, privacy laws, and client confidentiality. Isolate sensitive information not relevant to the investigation. Comply with applicable provisions under the IT Act, 2000 and other regulations. Next is Key Steps in Digital Evidence Discovery 1. Planning and scoping. Identify target devices, systems, and custodians of data. Determine the type and time frame of data required. 2. Preservation. Isolate devices from the network. Perform forensic imaging without altering metadata. 3-point collection. Extract data using verified forensic tools. Maintain proper documentation and hash verification. 4-point analysis. Recover deleted files, hidden folders, email trails. Analyze timestamps, metadata, login patterns, keyword hits. 5. Reporting present findings clearly with timelines, file names, user actions. Link digital activity to relevant persons and events. Time for practical illustration. Scenario. A company suspects unauthorized leakage of confidential financial information through employee emails. Application of FAIS 420. A forensic professional images the suspected employee's system. Uses forensic software to extract deleted emails and keyword search terms. Recovers attachments and tracks file transfers through USB logs. Ensures all actions are documented with hash values and timestamps. Outcome: Conclusive digital evidence establishes the misconduct, aiding in disciplinary action and potential legal proceedings. Next is challenges and risk mitigation. Risk: data alteration or loss. Mitigation: use write blockers. Maintain forensic copies. Risk: unauthorized access to evidence. Mitigation: maintain access logs, use encryption. Risk: misinterpretation of metadata. Mitigation: seek expert assistance where required and corroborate with other sources. Next is responsibilities of the forensic professional under FAIS 420. The professional must understand the limitations of tools and techniques used. Stay updated with emerging technologies and threats. Avoid exceeding the authorized scope of data extraction. Ensure all findings are replicable and explainable. Last is conclusion. To conclude, FAIS 420. Evidence discovery in digital domain is central to modern forensic practice. As frauds and malpractices increasingly exploit digital platforms, forensic professionals must build competence in data acquisition, analysis, and preservation of electronic evidence. Following FAIS 420 ensures that the evidence stands up to legal scrutiny and that the forensic process is both scientific and ethical. Thanks you.